Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Arfat Maths classes. This is Arfat Rasool and today we'll discuss about sets. So what are sets? So basically a set is a well-defined collection of objects. It is what? It is well-defined collection of objects. It's a collection of objects, but that collection which is it should be well-defined. It should be well-defined. So it should follow a proper definition. So any collection which follow a proper definition is a set. That collection is a set, but that collection must follow a proper definition. For example, here I'm talking about the set of vowels in the English alphabets. So we have vowels in English alphabets. There are A, E, I, O, U. So that's the set. That is the set A, E, I, O, and U. So this is a set. This is a set. It follows a certain definition. This is set, and this set follows a certain definition. That is vowels of English alphabets. Okay. So all those elements which doesn't follow this definition, vowels of English alphabet, that elements doesn't come in this set. So वो इस सेट में वो सारे एलिमेंट्स जो भी हमें बचते हैं इसके अलावा वो इस सेट में नहीं आएंगे. तो सारे जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं हमारे पास जो ये वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन जो ये डेफिनेशन फॉलो करते हैं वो इस सेट में आएंगे. सो दिस इज अ सेट. दिस इज अ सेट. एक और एग्जांपल लूँगा मैं यहाँ पे. अ सेट ऑफ even prime numbers less than 7. Even prime numbers, not prime numbers, sorry. I will take the even positive integers, that is 2, 4, and 6. Even positive integers less than 7. So even positive integers less than 7 are 2, 4, and 6. So this is a collection which is well defined. So this collection is well defined. So we call this collection as set. So this collection is a set. So every collection which is well defined, which follow a certain definition, comes under sets, are called as sets. Okay. So this was a little bit about the sets. So after that we have the representation of set. That is representation of a set. We have the two representations. First one is roster form, or sometimes called as tabular form. Roster form or tabular form. So in this form, all the elements of the set are listed. In this form, the elements of a set are separated by the commas and are enclosed within the brackets. As जो मैंने यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखा है set of English vowels. So this is set of which form? Of roster form. This is set in roster form. So the elements in the roster form are separated by commas and are enclosed within brackets. So this is what? This is a representation of a set in roster form or in tabular form. So understand this thing? This is easy. So after that we have the another form of the set, another form of the representation of the set, that is set builder form or rule method. Set builder form or rule method. So in this representation of a set, all the elements of a set possess a single common property. समझने की बात है यहाँ पे. In this representation of a set, all the elements of a set possesses a single common property which doesn't possess any other element which is outside the set. इसमें जो भी हमारे पास elements आएंगे उनमें एक सिंगल कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी को वो फॉलो करते हैं, लेकिन जो भी वो बाकी एलिमेंट्स हैं वो उस सिंगल प्रॉपर्टी, जो भी बाकी एलिमेंट्स हैं आउटसाइड द सेट, वो सिंगल प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो पोजेस नहीं करते होंगे. तो वो सारे एलिमेंट जो इस सिंगल कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी को पोजेस करते हो वो आएंगे अंडर व्हाट? अंडर सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जांपल यही मैं लूंगा सेट ऑफ इंग्लिश वॉवेल्स. सो सेट ऑफ इंग्लिश वॉवेल्स, इसको हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? इसको लिखेंगे हम, इसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हम वी से. इज सेट ऑफ वॉवेल्स, फिर ब्रैकेट, फिर एक्स, सच दैट एक्स इज a vowel in English alphabet. Bracket close. So this is a set of English vowels, but in which form? In set builder form. So in set builder form. So all the elements of this set follow certain follow a single common property. That is what? That is English vowel. That's English vowel. So all those elements which are outside the set doesn't follow this property. They are consonants. So vowels are only A, I, O, U. So जो भी हमारे पास vowel है वही आएंगे इस सेट में. उसके अलावा और कोई नहीं आएगा और कोई आ भी नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो ये property follow नहीं करते हैं. So this is what? This is our set builder form, or sometimes called as it's what? It is rule method. So this was so now we'll come towards the types of sets. So first one is empty set. So what is empty set? Empty set is a set which doesn't contain any element, which is total empty, which is total empty, or sometimes called as null set or void set. So which doesn't contain any element, which doesn't contain any element. That's what? That is empty set. So empty set is total empty. It's empty. It doesn't contain any element. It is empty, and it is denoted by phi, or these brackets, simply brackets. This is totally empty. It doesn't contain any element. It is totally empty. So second one is finite or infinite sets. So finite sets are those sets which contains the finite number of elements. Contains finite number of elements. So finite sets are those sets which contains the finite number of elements. So an infinite so a set which is not finite is infinite. So infinite sets are those sets which contains the infinite number of elements. For example, set of natural numbers, set of even, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of कोई भी set of low इसमें से set of real numbers. So these sets are what? These sets are infinite. These are not finite. These sets are infinite. Finite set की एक example मैं दूंगा यहाँ पे. Set of even natural numbers less than 10. So set of even natural numbers less than 10 उसमें finite number of elements आएंगे तो वो क्या कौन सा set है? Finite set. So this was finite and infinite set. Now we have the third one, that is what? Equal sets. So if we have two sets and B, two sets and B are called equal sets if all the elements of A are the elements of B. If every element of A equal to the elements of B, if they have the equal elements. Simply, if A is equal to B, then elements of A is equal to elements of B. If they have the same elements, if A is 1, 2, 3, and B, if A is equal to B, then B should also have the elements 1, 2, and 3. So we call that A is equal to B. These are known as equal sets. After that, we have subsets. We have what? Subsets. So if A is we call A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. If every element of A are also the elements of B. If every element of A are also the elements of B, then we call that A is the element of B. Okay, so this was little bit about the subsets. एक example लूंगा मैं यहाँ पे subsets की. If A is 1, 2, 3, and 4, then B is 1 and 2. So every element of B is also the element of A. So we call here that B is a subset of A, and we denote that B is subset of A. B is subset of A. We call subset, we denote subset by this sign. It's called what? Subset. Then we call that B is a subset of A. So this was about subsets. Now we have the power sets. Power set. So what is power set? Power set is the collection of all the subsets. Power set is the collection of all the subsets of A. So power set of A is the collection of all the subsets of A. Here, if we have the set A equal to A, E, I, O, and U, set of vowels. So power set of A, we denote power set of A by P of A. is equal to all the subsets of a collection of all the subsets of A. So A के कौन कौन से subset हो सकता है? एक तो A है खुद, कामा E है, कामा I है, कामा O है और U है. So ये जो collection है ये पूरी collection ये बन जाएगा इस A का क्या? इस A का ये बन जाएगा power set. So power set is simply collection of all the subsets of A. So this was power sets. After that we have universal set. So what is universal set? Universal set contains all sets in the given context. So universal set, it is denoted by U. It's denoted by U. Universal set contains all the sets in the given context, and it's denoted by U. For example, we have set A, where set A equal to 1, 2, 3, and set B is equal to 4, 5, and 6. So universal set, it is denoted by U. So U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this was the universal set that contains all the sets in the given context is called a universal set and is denoted by U. So after that, we have Venn diagram. What's Venn diagram is most important. So most of the relationships between two or more sets are represented by means of diagram known as Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, we represent the sets by we represent the elements of sets by circles and the universal set by a rectangular box. For example, here we represent this set A by a circle. This is set A, and set B by another circle. This is set B, and this is your universal set. It contains all sets in the given context. So set A has the elements 1, 2, and 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. Set B has the elements 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. So this is set A, this is set B, and this is your universal set. So this is a Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, we represent the elements of the sets by circles, and we represent the whole universal set by a rectangular box. So this was a little concept about the sets, and then after that some types of sets. After that, in our coming videos, inshallah, we'll discuss about the operations on sets. After that, we'll move forward towards the fuzzy sets, which is our main topic. Fuzzy sets. What are fuzzy sets? What's the need of fuzzy sets? Why fuzzy sets were introduced? That's our main topic. That's our main goal. And we will be moved forward towards the fuzzy sets, inshallah, in our upcoming videos. So stay connected with us. Stay blessed.